Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to scan documents using your BROTHER MFC-J4335DW printer on your PC. If you want to scan a document to your Windows device, firstly you should download and install BROTHER iPrint and Scan application. Maybe it's not too easy to do, so we recorded a video about it, how to install this application, how to install drivers to your computer, and if you will watch it you will know everything step by step, so don't afraid these operations. Okay, so here as you can see we have two buttons in this application, print and scan. Now just click scan, choose scan preset, documents or photo. For example, document, choose the paper type you use in your printer. If it's just normal, standard, plain paper, so it will be A4. Select color setting, you wanna use colored copy, gray shades, or gray air diffusion. It's sharp black and white, or just normal black and white, for example. I want to use 24 bits color. I choose the resolution, you can use any resolution you want, and just click scan. Wait a while. Okay, that's it. You need to know that if you use bigger resolution, the scanning will be longer than usual. Okay, so as you can see here I have my page, and what can we do with it right now? So we can save it to SharePoint, to the SharePoint. I don't have SharePoint account, so I don't want to use it. We can open it in some application if you want, or save to PC. I want to save it in my computer, so select the file name, for example nozzle check. Right now select the file type. If you wanna save it in PDF, just choose PDF. If you wanna save it like an image, so choose JPEG or PNG. I wanna save it like a document in PDF. You can click setting and change the type of PDF. For example, I want to use it like a searchable PDF. If I want to use it, if I use searchable PDF feature, it means that application will use OCR technology to, and you will be able to select text in this document after we will scan it, right? So language is English in this document, file size high quality, high compression PDF. If you want, you can use it, but it reduces the PDF size if scanning at 300 dpi resolution. You can secure your PDF by the password, and you can even separate document by image count, for example. So it's really power tool for scanning. I want to save it, so click OK. Select the folder, for example users documents. Okay, could be open folder after saving. Good idea. Click save, wait a while, and here as you can see I have this document, but I have it not in PDF. Wait a while. Interesting. For example, I wanna open it. Okay, it's PDF. I don't know why here it have type Chrome HTML. Maybe I should reload my folder. Wait a while. Downloads documents. It's strange because as you can see here it's opening in PDF. Maybe maybe it's because just because of Windows 11. So let's change the no, unfortunately it doesn't work in this way, but as you can see it's opening like just normal PDF. So it's PDF file, and here as you can see, because of OCR, we can select the text, we can copy the text, and as you can see it works very good. As you can see, I want to select this text, for example, Ctrl C, and as you can see this is good text, and cool. That's it. So hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.